Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, we're going to show you how to set up reCAPTCHA on your Outgrow content so you can keep the bots out and let your real users through without any friction. Let's jump right in. First things first, log into your Outgrow dashboard. Once you're in, find the content piece you want to protect and open it in build mode. Now head over to the Configure tab at the top. From there, go into General and SEO settings and look for the reCAPTCHA settings. That's where the magic happens. You'll see two options here. reCAPTCHA v2 shows the classic I'm not a robot checkbox that users have to tick, and reCAPTCHA v3 works silently in the background and validates based on a risk score. No user interaction is needed. Pick whichever fits your use case. For this walkthrough, we'll enable one of these, then we'll need to grab a couple of keys from Google. Open a new tab and head to the Google reCAPTCHA website. Click on the Start Fraud Defense button. Once you're inside the admin console, fill in your label and select the reCAPTCHA type. A quick but important note here. When you enter your domain, use the format yourdomain.outgrow.co or yourdomain.outgrow.us depending on what your Outgrow account uses. Don't include https:// or any subpaths, just the domain, clean and simple. And once everything looks good, hit Submit. Google will now generate your site key and secret key. Copy both of these, you'll need them in a while. Head back to your Outgrow tab and paste your site key and secret key into the respective fields in the reCAPTCHA settings section. Straightforward stuff. Once your keys are in, click the Publish button at the top. That's it. reCAPTCHA verification will now kick in right on your lead generation form. And that's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've got reCAPTCHA up and running to protect your Outgrow content from spam and abuse. Ready to get started? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start building today. Sign up to try it now.